Ferrari Purosangue, a thoroughbred redefining performance utility. The name Purosangue, meaning pure blood in Italian, is a fitting title for Ferrari's bold new creation, a vehicle that challenges conventions while staying true to the brand's racing heritage. Although it embodies the soul of a supercar, the Purosangue represents a major shift for Ferrari, a four-door, four-seat, all-wheel drive vehicle powered by a formidable 6.5-liter V12 engine. Ferrari, however, is clear. It does not see the Purosangue as just another SUV. Instead, it considers it the start of a new category. While its silhouette may resemble that of a typical SUV, its purpose and execution are uniquely Ferrari. Powertrain and performance. In a market crowded with high-performance SUVs like the Lamborghini Urus and Aston Martin DBX 707, vehicles that often rely on electronics and brute force, the Purosangue takes a different route. It embraces mechanical purity with a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 delivering 715 horsepower, a layout that's become rare in today's automotive landscape. The engine is mounted in a front-mid configuration, pushed far back under the hood for optimal weight distribution, so far, in fact, that the final cylinders are nearly beneath the dashboard. The 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, controlled via paddle shifters, is located at the rear for better balance. A power transfer unit adapted from the GTC4 Lusso sends torque to the front wheels when needed, although in most scenarios, the Purosangue behaves as a rear-wheel drive vehicle. Interior design and comfort. Inside, the Purosangue offers a strictly four-seat layout. Access to the rear seats is provided via rear hinge doors, also known as suicide doors, creating a sense of elegance and ease of entry. Both front and rear seats offer equal levels of luxury, with meticulous attention to comfort and detail. A completely new interior layout introduces innovative ways for drivers and passengers to interact with the vehicle's systems. The advanced suspension setup, in particular, strikes a remarkable balance, delivering Ferrari-like handling alongside the comfort expected of a grand tourer. Performance figures and efficiency. Performance is nothing short of astonishing. The Purosangue accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds, with a top speed of 193 miles per hour. That said, there's no hybrid assistance on board, and the result is predictably high fuel consumption, just 16.3 miles per gallon combined and CO2 emissions of 393 g/km. Pricing and market position. Starting at £313,360, the Purosangue commands a price far above typical performance SUVs. With Ferrari's extensive personalization options, most models will leave the factory priced above £400,000. Ferrari isn't just aiming to compete, it's deliberately positioning the Purosangue above the rest, with a waiting list stretching up to 2 years. The only other vehicle close in price is the Rolls-Royce Cullinan, but the Purosangue offers an entirely different experience, one grounded in driving precision and emotional engagement rather than sheer opulence. How it stacks up against rivals. Set aside the price for a moment, and the Purosangue easily outshines rivals like the Urus and DBX. Unlike those vehicles, which share platforms and powertrains with other brands in their respective corporate families, the Purosangue is built entirely on Ferrari's own terms. While other performance SUVs prioritize utility, Ferrari prioritized driving dynamics, then integrated as much practicality as possible without diluting its identity. Although it isn't dramatically quicker than its competitors, the Purosangue drives with more refinement, precision, and character, thanks largely to its V12 engine, its exceptional chassis balance, and its world-class suspension. Utility and everyday usability. Despite Ferrari's performance-first philosophy, the Purosangue manages to be genuinely useful. It features a hatchback-style tailgate and a 473-liter cargo space, which can be expanded via electrically folding rear seats. While the space isn't completely flat or massive, it's practical enough for everyday use. A range of high-end accessories, including carbon fiber racks for bikes and skis, will also be available. In essence, the Purosangue feels like a blend between a large GT car and a high-riding performance vehicle, maintaining Ferrari's essence while offering increased versatility. The final verdict. The Purosangue offers something Ferrari buyers have never had access to before, a truly usable daily Ferrari. Ferrari may have been hesitant to enter the utility vehicle market, but they needn't be. With the Purosangue, they've reimagined what a performance utility vehicle can be. Rather than building an SUV and dressing it in Ferrari clothes, they've created a Ferrari that just happens to be more practical. It's not a traditional SUV. It's not trying to be one. Instead, the Purosangue is perhaps the most authentic, performance-focused vehicle in its class. Ironically, it may be the only one that truly deserves to be called an SUV.